Friends, we have started batting innings of United in Dwarka. First ball and bowled. Kuldeep Singh down on the very first ball. Very bad start for United in Dwarka. Second ball to Shonu Nisad, the new batsman for United in Dwarka. Well defense. Fourth ball of the over. Great shot and straight to the boundary at long on. First four for United in Dwarka. From the bat of Pawan Kumar, the wicketkeeper, new batsman for United in Dwarka today. Great shot by Pawan. Fifth ball of the over. And one more shot straight down the boundary. Another four. Another four for Pawan Kumar. Five balls, 8 runs. Well within the range. United 11 Dwarka needs to score 204 runs to win this match at almost 10 runs per over. Great shot and straight to fielder. Very unlucky this time, Pawan. Should have been a boundary, but out. Very bad start as far as wickets are concerned for United in Dwarka. 2 wickets down after first over. Next bowler for Warlords 11, Jatin Sharma. First ball and no ball. Should be wide and should be 4 also. Very good. Good start for United in Dwarka as far as runs are concerned. 1 over, 13 runs, but 2 wickets. First ball from Jatin, and it is a no ball free hit, so no trouble for the batsman. Second ball of the over, an easy single. Good that Raja is running today. Third ball of the over from Jatin, and again not a good shot. Rinku is not playing the way he should have played. Only single out of this full toss, which should have been a 6 definitely. Fourth ball of the over to Raja. Wide ball, another run, another ball. Good start. Last ball of the over to Raja and no run. Last ball of the over and 4, no. Straight to third man fielder for a single. Sameer and good shot by Raja Rohilla this time for a boundary at extra covers. First boundary for Raja Rohilla. Great shot. Good ball this time. Sameer is very slow, but got the first wicket on the very first ball. 22 runs. नहीं यार उसके दीप के पास है. Third ball of the over. Very good ball. Fourth ball of the over, and Raja is playing very defensively now after first boundary. Fifth ball of the over, Sameer to Raja, and great shot. Now this time over the extra cover boundary for a 4. Last ball of the over and nice defense. First ball of the second over from Jatin. Defense was in the air for some time, but safe. Second ball of the over and again one more wide and should have been a single too. Yes, this time Raja Rohilla was very quick for the single. After 3.1 overs, United and Dwarka at 28 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Second ball of the over and good ball outside off. Should have been a boundary over point fielder. United 11 Dwarka at 28 runs after 3.3 overs for the loss of 2 wickets and good ball, no run. Fifth ball of the over and this time it's a boundary through the extra cover fielder. Nice shot, at last successful in getting this boundary. Raja Rohilla. Raja is playing at 14 runs after facing 14 deliveries. United and Dwarka at 32 runs after 3.5 overs. Last ball of the over. Another good ball. No run. Third over from Samir and straight to fielder, but lucky Rinku. Second ball to Raja and should be a single. An easy single. Rinku Sharma. Great shot by Rinku Sharma this time, but for a single. Third man. Fourth ball of the over. Great shot again by Raja Rohilla, this time also through the extra cover region. Well played. 39 runs after 4.4 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. One more boundary, no. Good fielding this time at mid-off.
39 हो गया 40
Single. 40 runs of after 4.5 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Last ball of the over. And this time Rinku Sharma took strike and easy boundary at deep square. 44 runs after 5 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Good ball by Jatin. He has been very economical. Only 12 runs conceded in 2 overs so far. Nice defense. Good fielding. Short fine leg. But could not stop Rinku from taking 1 run. Third ball of the over. Now this time straight to point fielder. No run. Fourth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma. And missed it. No run. Fifth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, and this time he has hit it for almost 6. One more boundary over extra covers. Good shot. Second boundary for Rinku Sharma. United 11 has reached 49 runs after 2 overs. After 5.5 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Last ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, and in the air, fielder is below. Out. Another wicket for United in Dwarka. 49 runs after 6 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. 3 wickets, sorry. नेक्स्ट बॉलर मिथुन टू जोगिंदर गुलिया.
व्यू अच्छा है, रिकॉर्डिंग का बढ़िया व्यू है यहाँ से.
Dot ball. Second ball from Mithun to Joginder. Good ball. Nice bounce. Lucky Joginder. Third ball of the over. And no run. Fourth ball of the over to Gulia. White ball. 50 runs crossed in 6.3 overs. Joginder Gulia facing Mithun. Fourth ball over of the over, fourth dot ball. Fifth ball to Joginder Gulia from Mithun, and this should have been a 6, but only a single. Last ball of the over to Raja Rohilla. Only 2 runs have come so far. This is the third run. 7 overs up. United 11, Dwarka 52 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. New bowler Atul to Raja. First ball is white.
लंबी फेंक रहा, मार देगा.
Good one. Good for United in Dwarka. 53 runs after 7 overs.
आउटफील्ड बहुत.
Great shot. Should be a 4. Yes, it is an easy boundary at mid wicket area for Raja Rohilla. Nice shot. Second ball of the over. Again wide. Again an extra run, extra ball for United and Dwarka. 58 after 7.1 over. This time good ball. Straight to keeper. Third ball of the over from Atul to Raja, and again wide. Great shot, but straight to fielder. One more run, easy. This is misfield. An extra run for United in Dwarka and Raja Rohilla. 61 runs after 7.3 overs for the loss of 3 wickets. Again good shot. One more extra run is very easy, very easy. One more extra run with this misfield. Good running by Joginder Gulia.
वो थक रहा है शायद.
Very nice defense. Seems Raja Rohilla is tired after these 2 quick doubles. Last ball of the over has gone for a single. 64 runs after 8 overs for the loss of 3 wickets.
अच्छा, गुड लेंथ पे मार रहा था.
गुड लेंथ की टप्पे की वो भी बैक फुट पे जाके वहां स्केयर पे खींच रहा था भाई वो.
क्यों? हाँ, जिस तरह से लग रहा था शॉट, तो लग रहा था बॉल शॉट है.
ललित भाई बॉल शॉट नहीं था ना, अब
पीछे चला जाएगा तो वो तो गुड लेंथ बॉल शॉट बनी जाएगी.
Hard luck for Raja Rohilla. Thick edge straight to the keeper.
लोहल्ले की हेल्थ भी थोड़ी डाउन हो गई थी, लग रहा है मुझे अभी भागते भागते.
4 wickets down after 8.2 overs. United in Dwarka at 64 runs. Good shot through the extra cover area for a single. New batsman Sachin Arora off the mark on the very first ball. Atul to Joginder Gulia. Sorry, Mithun to Joginder Gulia. Fifth ball of the over. And easy single. Oh, very good running by Sachin Arora. A quick double. Nice running between the wickets.
पड़ा नहीं.
Last ball and another single for Joginder Gulia.
हाँ यहीं बहुत हैं इधर. ये KFC बहुत बढ़िया पिच है.
Nice.
KGF
Last ball of the over. Very slow.
ये इससे ठीक तो ये द्रोणाचार्य है सामने.
No run.
द्वारका में कौन सेक्टर से?
First ball of the over
द्वारका
from
में तो
Matul.
कुछ है नहीं साला.
An easy single for Joginder Gulia. Very slow ball,
बैट तो चला रहा है अच्छा. ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मारने की.
but not within the range of the batsman.
मतलब ज़्यादा.
Great
गजब
shot,
shot है यार,
and
गजब
should
shot है.
be a six. Nice boundary. Nice six from Sachin Arora. First six of the match, for the innings. For United Dwarka, first six, and the score has reached 78 runs after 9.4 overs. One more shot, but this time
No, no,
it's
catch
in
तो
the
नहीं
air, but not within the reach of fielder. 2 runs. $77 runs after 9.4 overs.
सही टाइम पर 9:30.
Last ball of the over, and one more try,
स्लो स्वीप.
but no run. Mithun, first ball by Mithun after change of side.
लड़ पड़ा भाई ये तो.
Second ball and 4 runs towards final leg.
ओए बच गया बेटे.
Easy
तू घर पे
boundary
मना
for
झूठ
Joginder
बोल के
Gulia.
आया ना.
Third ball of the over, another boundary. No. Good running between the wickets by Joginder Gulia. Easy double.
भाई बारिश है ड्रॉ हो जाए.
6. No. Straight to longer fielder for a single. Fifth ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and it should be a 6. Yes, it's massive 6
शॉट है सचिन बढ़िया.
over the mid wicket fielder.
ये कैसे छोड़ दिया.
90 runs after 10.5 overs
अच्छा 90 हो गए. फिर तो है मैच अपनी तरफ.
ब्रेक नहीं लिया ना.
for the loss of 4 wickets.
मौत में उंगली देना भी ठीक नहीं है ना.
Another boundary between mid wicket and
शॉट है यार
long on
सचिन बढ़िया.
fielder. Great shot. Well played, Sachin Arora. 94 runs after 11 overs for the loss of 4 wickets.
भाई मैं खुद मैंने
Spinner
बताया
has
और
been
मतलब
introduced.
उसी कैच के चक्कर में देख लो वही रन मार के गया बंदा. अच्छा बैट्समैन है.
नहीं हुई. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं एक्सक्यूज नहीं हुई गलती.
Abhishek Tyagi.
लेकिन कभी छोड़ ही नहीं.
पहुंच नहीं पाया ये वहां तक है ना.
नहीं
थोड़ा सा
पहुंच पाया
कैजुअल
भाई.
कैजुअल ले गया. और
ये तरह तंदूर आ गया और कुछ नहीं है.
तंदूर
उसकी भी उसने छूटी थी. वो ऐसे गया
Good
आगे
ball.
आगे गिर गई बॉल उसके एकदम यूं करके. उसने छोड़ी थी याद है मुझे.
मार.
यूं करके पकड़ी थी आगे ड्रॉप हो
Single
गई बॉल.
run at long off area.
हवा का फर्क तो पड़ता ही है बॉल में.
खांसी हो रही है. बिजी हो तो नहीं गया काम.
मार भाई मार इसे.
6. Another 6. No, just short of the mid wicket fielder for a single. Sachin Arora nice play. Should have been a 6. It's a no ball.
रोमांच.
Another good shot from Sachin Arora in the fine leg area. Sorry, deep square leg area.
ये को मना कर दी इसने मैच के. दिया ना.
United Lane Dwarka at 100 runs after 12 overs for the loss of 4 wickets. Needs just 104 runs in 8
अजय
overs
अजय अजय नहीं अजय भी नहीं है
at an average of 12.92.
हाँ
कर देना इसको
Should be a quick double. हो जाएगा यार सचिन 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 चल.
वहीं पे अटका हुआ है गाड़ी भाई सेम वैसे ही लग रहा है वो लॉकडाउन के बाद आया ना
Great shot, but straight to fielder and out. Two new batsmen on the crease now, and easy single for Lalit Rawat. Karan Negi on strike.
ये क्या किया है वो तो बताओ कमेंट्री के साथ साथ
Last ball of the over and wide ball. Extra single.
बट्टा से मार रहे हैं देखना
Last ball of the over. And good shot straight to long off boundary. Nice over for United Land Dwarka. 8 runs coming off that over. 108 after 13 overs for the loss of 6 wickets.
मार यार
Abhishek Tyagi. Good over. Good ball.
पैर ही ना आता आज के ग्राउंड में
Good ball. Another good ball from Abhishek Tyagi to Lalit Singh Rawat.
ये ले ले यार हमारा का
Nice ball again. But single this time at long on area. And a very good shot by Carnegie this time for a for a 6
अच्छा कई पहाड़ी इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं अजय लेकिन वो भाई
at
भी
deep square leg. Nice shot.
6 महीने के आसपास खेला है
Wide ball and should be at least 2 runs.
अच्छा
2020 में
Yes, easy 2 runs with an extra 3 runs.
कीपर बैट्समैन
छोटी
3 extra runs for United Dwarka.
फील्डिंग में भी
Another good ball, another good ball. Nice shout by the keeper.
क्यों बोल रहा है
Another good ball, wide ball. Should have been a 6.
ये तो
Another wide ball. Good ball.
देख के लेगी भाई होते भाई अच्छा ओके राउत इतने लंबे तो नहीं होते यार
हाँ बस. Another wide.
double हो गया, double,
Easy.
double.
Should be easy double. Yes, yes, it is a double.
क्या पहाड़ी आदमी
Another 3 extra runs for United and Dwarka. Score reaching
123
123 runs after
13.5
13.5 overs. Nice score. Very competitive. 6 straight 6. This time between mid wicket fielder and deep square leg fielder over the boundary.
अगर वो उसी टाइम नहीं भागा होता ना सर फंबल होने दूसरा दिख रहा था
Good shot. Very good shot. Should be at least 2 runs. This is very bad fielding. An easy boundary for Lalit Singh Rawat. United 11 Dwarka reaching 130.
नहीं 4 तो है 127 और 6 होना
मेरा मोबाइल था
133 runs
मेरा मोबाइल
for the loss of
6
6 wickets.
थैंक यू इसका ग्रिप चेंज हो सकती है भाई देखो एक बार आप
An easy boundary again.
मैं जल्दी आऊँ
Easy boundary for Lalit Singh Rawat.
ऐसे अगर करेंगे ना तो फिर तो मैच हम जीत सकते
सेंचुरी थी यार
हैं अपन शुरू से कट खेलने की आदत है पॉइंट खेलने
Are another good boundary.
मैं मेरे भी भैया को
Again
बोला था गीली
at-
पिच है
Mid wicket area.
विकेट मिलेगा ही नहीं, मेरा स्ट्रेंथ वो है, वो मिलेगा ही नहीं।
Nice shot.
141
United 11 Dwarka reaching 141 runs after 14.3
550 तो कर दूंगा।
overs.
अगर दो बॉल
Required run rate sharply coming down to 11.45 now.
रुक के बोल, आप कह रहे थे ना रुक के बोल पे जोर लग रहा है।
Again, very good shot.
जोर
But
वाले
straight to
जोर वाले
normal
शॉट नहीं
fielder
खेलते, क्रिकेट
for a
जोर का
single.
गेम नहीं है।
पूरा गदाई चलाता है।
Another good shot and easy single
हमारे से बनता है टेक्निक
for Karan Negi this time. 143 runs after 14.5 overs. 61 required of 31 balls now. Almost 12 runs and over. Good shot and over the gully fielder
डबल करो।
for an easy double. 15 overs completing with 145 runs.
एक महीने में खामखा की बसड़बाजी कर रखी है यार आप।
ऐसा अपना है ना वो 95
Should be double. Easy double. Yes.
हो गया बहुत बढ़िया
Easy double. Karan Negi very quick between the wickets.
अभी क्या एक महीने में।
Another wicket in the form of Karan Negi. United 11 Dwarka in poor form now. 147 runs for the loss of 7 wickets after 15.3 overs.
एवरेज 13 की है सिर्फ इसकी।
Straight to
550
wicket.
2 बॉल पे 0